Let's set up your company in Workdeck. Remember that to do so, you must have the administrator role on the platform. At the top right, click your name and select the Settings option. In case you do not find this option, you must ask the account administrator to grant you permissions. You will see a new screen where you will find different tabs. In the General Information tab, you must fill in the details of your company. In Offices, you can detail the name of the central office, and if it is the case, the branches that your company has. You can also indicate non-working days, which is automatically configured in employee calendars. And finally, you can complete the work schedule, configuring different schedules, such as full or partial hours. The Staff Category tab is used to specify the profile of the workers and the corresponding hourly commercial rate. This information will be used to budget projects for future clients. In Users, you will be able to include the workers. Remember to add all the information of the new user. The cost per hour refers to the cost of said worker for the company. Finally, you must also select if you will give them access to any of the roles that appear in this section. The Cost Type tab allows you to add the most common expense categories within the company. These categories will be used in drop-down menus in various modules of the platform. If there are different cost centers in the company, they can be added under this tab. In the Leaves Type tab, add the most common reasons for absences in your business, so that they are available in the Absences module. Finally, in Policies, we offer the possibility of customizing the approvals of expenses, purchases, and absences. The platform's standard approval paths are that managers approve each request, regardless of amount. From here, there is the option to configure the amounts that require approval. Ready! You have just set up your company within Workdeck. Whenever you want, you can access this section to modify the data.